page 44, 1.21 definitions. Starting at the top, the Department of Financial Services has a duty to investigate charges of unethical conduct and to take judicious action in such cases in order to ensure that a spirit of harmony will prevail among all segments of the industry. 1.21 definitions. Claim. Highlighted, a claim is the assertion of an alleged legal right against an issuer which carries with it a demand of appropriate relief. A first-party claim is a claim by a policyholder, insured or beneficiary directly against the insurer which issued the contract. Examples of first-party coverages include the dwelling policy or auto physical damage. A third-party claim is one by a third person against the insured under a policy of liability insurance. An example of third-party coverage is a commercial general liability policy. Policies such as homeowners, personal auto, and business owners contain both first and third-party coverage. Claims adjuster, in bold letters. A claims adjuster, highlighted, is one who is involved in the investigation, adjustment, negotiation, and or trial preparations of claims arising under insurance policies. A claims adjuster is also referred to as a claims auditor. Adjusting. Adjusting refers to the process of disposing of an insurance claim, highlighted here. In property insurance, when negotiations result in an agreement fixing the amount, if any, to be paid by each insurer, the claimant insured and the insurers are said to have reached an adjustment. In liability insurance, when negotiations between the third-party claimant and the insurer, usually acting as a representative of the insured, result in a denial, compromise, payment, or full payment for proven damages, there is an adjustment, the end result of the adjusting process. The fundamental difference between property insurance claims adjusting and liability insurance claims adjusting is the relative degree of legalism, and that is in parentheses, involved in the adjusting process. Whereas the adjustment of claims under liability insurance is frequently legalistic, the atmosphere of most adjustments under property insurance contracts is comparable to that of any business transaction of similar importance. Adjustment, that is highlighted. The term adjustment, in parentheses, suggests that the adjusting process has been completed. Adjustment, thus, refers to the ultimate disposition of a claim in both property and liability insurance. Often the term settlement, in parentheses, is used in place of adjustment where the disposition of a claim involves the payment of a sum of money to the insured or third-party claimant. Types of adjusters, that's highlighted. There are various titles for claims adjusters: employee or staff adjusters, independent adjusters, bureau adjusters, public adjusters, and fee adjusters. A public adjuster represents the public. That's highlighted here. He or she is generally compensated by a percentage of the amount paid to the insured by the insurer. Highlighted also, company or staff adjusters are salaried employees under the supervision of the home, branch, or regional claims department of insurers. Fee adjusters are those who offer their services on a fee for service basis. They represent many insurers. Bureau and independent adjusters are examples of fee adjusters. A bureau adjuster is an employee or agent of an adjustment bureau which serves multiple company clients. such as the GAB, Business Services, Inc., an underwriters adjusting company, both national firms. An independent adjuster, which is what we're trying for here, like the bureau adjuster, is in the fee adjuster category. Okay, that's highlighted here. An independent adjuster, like the bureau adjuster, is in the fee adjuster category. As the name implies, however, independent adjusters are self-employed and are not affiliated with either insurers or bureaus. They serve as adjuster representatives of insurers, and their services are compensated on a fee plus expense basis for each loss handled. Rather than staff, bureau, or independent adjusters, many insurers still utilize state and special agents. Now that's in parentheses here, quotation marks, in the adjusting of some claims, especially in property insurance. In addition, local agents may serve as adjusters, although usually only in regard to small losses under property insurance contracts. Now we're at 1.22, Adjusters' Responsibilities, page 45. Fiduciary Agent, FIDUCIARY agent. The professional responsibilities of the adjuster to the insurer are the same. However, whether or not the adjuster is employed by the insurer, the adjuster highlighted is a fiduciary agent. This relationship requires maintenance of a high degree of fidelity and loyalty to the interests of the principal, whether or not the adjuster is a direct employee. As a fiduciary agent of the principal, insurer, in parentheses, the adjuster should not deal in any way with the principal's property with motives of self-interest. The adjuster should not represent interests which are adverse to those of the principal, and the adjuster should not profit or seek to profit from an outside source as a consequence of actions for and on behalf of the principal. Okay. On page 46, the adjuster should be concerned with such causes of action as libel, slander, and defamation. The adjuster should be aware that intemperate, INTEMPERATE, intemperate remarks or writings may not only do it again. The adjuster should be aware, let's just do it back from the beginning. The adjuster should be concerned with such causes of action as libel, LIBEL, slander, and defamation. The adjuster should be aware that intemperate remarks or writings may not only embarrassing to the employer, but costly as well. If while acting within the scope of employment, the adjuster makes defamatory, slanderous, or libelous remarks